Namaste. We, the students of Ram Narayan Ruia Autonomous College from the Department of History, present to you Navaratri Navaranga. That is, significance of Navaratri's 9 colors. Navratri is one of the most important and biggest festivals celebrated across Bharat and even other parts of the world. It is a festival where for 10 days or for 9 nights, we worship the various forms of the Devi, the Divine Mother, the Divine Cosmic Energy, in her all forms. The Devi represents the Shakti, the divine power, or the power of the consciousness. Every year, there are 4 Navratris, 2 of which are secret and 2 of which are celebrated. But the most important from these is Sharad Navratri or Mahanavratri, which is celebrated in Ashvina Mas, that is in the month of September or October. Nava means the number 9. Ratri in Sanskrit, Ra means that which gives solace. And 3 means the Tapatraya, the 3 types of problems, afflictions, suffering and misery. So that which gives solace from all these things is called Ratri. And Navratri is a time when various sadhakas and spiritual seekers go deep within to rest, to become rejuvenated, refreshed, and free from all afflictions and start the year afresh. So these 9 nights of Navaratri are also compared to the 9 months we spend in the womb of our mother, where the child is in the womb and it doesn't have to do anything. It just goes within and comes out new. Through Navratri, we invoke the Shakti. We honor and worship the Devi Shakti. That is the Divine Mother, the Divine Cosmic Energy. We invoke it in our life so that all the negativity in us gets destroyed.
Tithi Pratipada is the first day of Navratri. The color of day 1 is yellow. The color stands for happiness and brightness. On this day, the goddess Skandamata is worshipped and is also known as the mother of Lord Kartikeya or Skanda. The jolly yellow color symbolizes happiness, optimism, enlightenment, creativity and spirit. Born to sage Kantayana, she is an incarnation of Durga and is shown to exhibit courage, which is symbolized by the color yellow. Known as the warrior goddess, she is considered one of the most violent form of Devi. In this avatar, Kantayani rides a lion and has 4 hands. She is a form of Parvati, Mahalakshmi, and third one is Mahasaraswati.
Tithi Dvitiya is the second day of Navratri. The green color signifies new beginnings and growth. The color green also refers to the nourishing qualities of Mother Nature. On this day, Hindus worship goddess Katyayani, and she is seen as the slayer of the demon Mahishasura. Once upon a time, there lived a saint named Kata and his son Katya. Kata was very famous and renowned in the lineage of saints. He underwent intense austerities and penance in order to receive the grace of Ma Durga. He wanted a daughter in form of a goddess, and at last the mother goddess blessed him with a daughter Katyayani as an avatar of Durga.
Tithi Tritiya is the 3rd day of Navratri. On this day, Ma Durga is worshipped in her 3rd avatar, that is Chandraghanta. The color to wear on this day is grey. The grey color, a virtuous color and a timeless one, represents the quality of Ma Durga's nature of destruction. The color stands for the power and strength of transformation. The color represents the readiness and determination of Ma Durga to fight against the foes of her devotees and the perpetrators of darkness. It is a symbol of readiness to fight against all evil. Goddess Chandraghanta has a Chandra or a half moon on her forehead, which is in the shape of a bell, that is a ghanta, hence the name Chandraghanta. She has a bright complexion and is charming. She has 10 hands, 3 eyes and holds weapons in all her hands. She is an apostle of bravery and possesses great strength to fight against the evil in the battles.
Tithi Chaturthi is the fourth day of Navratri and the color being the bright and vibrant shade orange, signifying energy and happiness. On this day, the Hindu goddess Mata Shailaputri, the daughter of the mountains, is worshipped. She is also known as Parvati Bhavani or Hemavati, the daughter of the Himavana, the king of the Himalayas. The embodiment of the power of Brahma, Vishnu and Shiva. She rides a bull and carries a trident as well as a lotus in her 2 hands. She is depicted with a crescent moon on her forehead on this day.
Tithi Panchami is the 5th day of Navratri. On this day, the 5th form of Ma Durga, Skanda Mata, is worshipped. The color to wear on this day is white. White, an inherently positive color, is associated with purity, humility, serenity, peacefulness, brilliance, goodness, and perfection. The calm and peaceful white is a symbol of purity, serenity, and peacefulness of Ma Durga. The color represents the eternal motherly love and is a symbol of victory of goodness over evil and dark forces. Skanda Mata, the mother of Lord Skanda or Kartikeya, who was chosen by the gods as their commander-in-chief in the war against the demons, accompanies her in the infant form. Her abode is the Vishuddha Chakra.
Tithi Shashti is the 6th day of the Navratri. Red color signifies beauty and fearlessness. The red color signifies passion, auspiciousness, intensity as well as the power of our Ma Durga to kill the evil.
Tithi Saptami is the 7th day of Navratri. The color royal blue signifies good health and prosperity. On this day, goddess Kushmanda is worshipped. She is also known as Ashtabhuja Devi as she has 8 hands. Her name Kushmanda can be broken up into 3 different words that are Ku, which means little, Ushma means warmth, and lastly Anda, which means the cosmic egg. Hence, she is referred to as the creator of the universe. The entire universe was nothing but just a void full of darkness until her light spreads in all directions, just like the rays from the sun. She has 8 to 10 hands and she carries rosary, glitter, weapons, etc. and rides on a lion.
The Gauri Ashtami is the 8th day of this Navratri. The high-spirited pink color presents affection, inner peace and joy which comes from the blessing of our Durga Ma. Day 8 of Navratri is the day of Kanjak. The day is celebrated by feeding small girls who are considered to be the avatar of the goddess. The color signifies power of intellect and peace. goddess Mahagauri is worshipped on this day, who has the power to fulfill all desires in their life. It is said that one who worships the goddess gets relief from all the sufferings in their life. Mahagauri is the eighth form of our Durga Ma. Mahagauri is intelligent, peaceful, and calm. It is said that due to her long austerities in the deep forest of the Himalayas, her color transformed from white to black. However, later, when Lord Shiva cleaned her with water of Gangas, her body regained its beauty and came to be known as Mahagauri, which means extremely white.
Tithi Navami is the 9th day of Navratri. This day marks the worshipping of Ma Durga in the form of Siddhidatri. The color to wear on this day is purple. Hinduism associates the color purple with oneness with God. It is a symbol of power of intellect and peace. It signifies power and ambition and represents wisdom. Goddess Siddhidatri is the 9th form of Ma Durga. She rides the lion as her vehicle and has supernatural healing powers. She has 4 arms and is seen sitting in an enchanting, blissful, and happy pose. She blesses all the gods, saints, yogis, tantrics, and all her devotees as a manifestation of the Mother Goddess.
During the time of Navratri, devotees fast, they meditate, they sing devotional songs, they even play Garba, a traditional Navratri dance. Also, during this time, the Devi Mahatmya, a scripture, is read, recitated, and chanted in the pujas and yajnas, which talks about the Devi fighting various demons and destroying them. So all these things, pujas, yajnas, mantras, finally allows us to purify ourselves. At the end, when we have invoked the Devi, destroyed all the negative tendencies, the last day, that is the 10th day, is called Vijaya Dashami, the victory day, where the Devi is victorious over the demons. It is said that this is the best day to start anything new in life. Dhanyavad.
Wishing each one of you a very happy Navratri.
शुभ नवरात्री.
सर्वांना नवरात्रीच्या भक्तिमय आणि मंगलमय शुभेच्छा.
નવરાત્રિની શુભકામનાઓ. આભાર.